Reporting tips on taxes is a crucial aspect of tax compliance for individuals who receive tips as part of their income. To report tips on taxes, start by understanding what tips are considered taxable income. The Internal Revenue Service considers tips as income that you receive from customers for services performed, such as food and beverage servers, hairdressers, and bartenders. First, keep a record of all tips received throughout the year. This can be done by maintaining a tip log or using a mobile app to track tips. It is essential to include the date, amount, and type of tip, such as cash or credit card tips. Next, report tips to your employer. If you receive more than $20 in tips in a month, you are required to report your tips to your employer by the 10th of the following month. Use Form 4070 to report tips to your employer. This form will help you calculate the amount of tips to report and the amount of taxes owed. When filing your tax return, report tips on Form 1040. You will need to complete Schedule 1 and report tips as other income. You will also need to calculate your Social Security and Medicare tax on tips. Use Form 4137 to calculate the Social Security and Medicare tax owed on tips. Finally, pay any taxes owed on tips. You can make estimated tax payments throughout the year to avoid penalties. You can also annualize your income to avoid penalties by filing Form 2210. It is essential to report all tips received, as underreporting tips can result in penalties and fines. The Internal Revenue Service may also audit your tax return if they suspect underreporting of tips. By keeping accurate records and reporting tips correctly, you can avoid any issues with the Internal Revenue Service and ensure compliance with tax laws.